Class, first I want to introduce our team. My name is Ida Uthia.
My name is Daniel Kaputra.
My name is Yulhan Dwisani.
Okay, we will to present our presentation about FDMA. FDMA in arc access technology that use frequency as a media intermediary. FDMA system is used at the base station radiate or transmit using the downlink frequencies and at BTS exit or receive using uplink frequency. The use of downlink and uplink frequency can be set so it does not interfere with each other frequencies. If the frequency is not set right, then the frequency of one BTS to another BTS interfere with each other or interference, which will result in poor voice quality, drop calls, or communication suddenly drop out, and it is difficult to make calls or call not to the same call once. If the frequency band is considered as one way, it can be said one customer, one way. For example, when a customer is using that route, then another customer before the customer cannot use a finish. So, if at the same time there are 100 customers who want to communicate, then it is certainly necessary 100 frequency band.
Working of FDMA. FDMA is scientific in frequency setting is divided into several channel or narrower frequency channel. User will have different frequency channel to communicate simultaneously. Allocation frequency in FDMA very exclusive main frequency channel that have used one cannot be used by other users. Frequency channel were then separated again by a narrow channel frequency again. What bandwidth which to avoid interference between adjacent channels to occupy key frequency allocation. Difference of FDMA, TDMA, and CDMA. The FDMA access method to be in analogy with the user using a single frequency with a certain bandwidth. Other user using different frequency and so on. Example of analogy: frequency bandwidth 5 MHz carrier have with the usage of 30 kHz per user. Then the 5 MHz bandwidth they will be used. End user total bandwidth per bandwidth one user equal 5 MHz per 30 kHz equals 166 users. So can say with the 5 MHz bandwidth they will be able to serve 166 operator user in one area. They will not enter the calculation. God band frequency is the frequency of the user one with the others, because without God band will happen interference or friction between the frequency with frequency classes. So, if the quad band equals 10 kHz, then the user equals 30 kHz. Quad band plus the user equal 30 plus 10 equals 40 kilohertz. Then a new calculation is end user equals 5 megahertz per 40 kilohertz equals 125 users. As the name implies, TDMA technique using timing to serve its users. Can say one set of frequency can be used with multiple users by sharing time in the order of milliseconds. Because the order of time is very fast, so that it was as though a set of frequency can serve more than one user at a time. Take the example of the technique in use TDMA that GSM operator, where one set of frequency is 200 kHz and can be used by 8 users or 8 time slots, where they will be at a set frequency to 8 user TBS cultivation in order milliseconds, so as if the frequency could serve 8 users simultaneously. Why is it taking a set of 200 kHz? Why not use it as an example 30 kHz FDMA? The answer is quite complex. It's not easy to standardize on vendor. It could be 30 kHz or other where, but with 200 kHz bandwidth much bigger, so the quality will be great. Now, equals efficiency bar in comparison with FDMA. Same analogy, possessed 5 MHz bandwidth with one set frequency equals 200 kHz. Then there are one set of frequency is n set frequency equals number of bandwidth per one set frequency equals 5 MHz per 200 kHz frequency equals 25 set one set frequency to 8 user. Can then number user equals 25 times 8 equals 200 users. So the comparison is equals 125 user FDMA. TDMA equals 200 user. The efficiency that can be after using TDMA about 62%, or can say with TDMA can get 60% more capacity than FDMA. This is just from one side of the comparison, and there are still others. CDMA. In CDMA technique, served by all users in the same frequency coding technique to separate the user each other. Many question why can use the same frequency for all users. Easy answer is that if their usage of the same frequency will interference with each other. But in CDMA, using large bandwidth which can surpass the interference level. The greater the bandwidth that in life, the more immune to interference. So, in CDMA system, capacity calculation based on the level of interference. So, there is a certain level until the user into along up to the limit of tolerance is achieve interference limit.
Now, I will present the feature of FDMA. 1. FDMA can be used with both analog and digital signals. 2. FDMA requires a high performance in the radio hardware, in contrast FDMA and CDMA. 3. Each user transmit and receiver must different frequency. Advantages of FDMA. 1. Dual system in FDMA is simple. 2. The operation of FDMA is easy. 3. The equipment which used for FDMA are quite cheap. The disadvantage of FDMA. 1. Transmitting signal between the BTS. If there is in the same channel, there will be a signal that cause damage interference. Difficulty making a call. In other words, the system can occur interference from the Ethernet port BTS. 2. Resistance to both noise and interference means weaker than the communication that has used digital systems. 3. Flexibility low. That's enough our presentation.
Thanks for your attention.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.